Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're having an absolutely wonderful day. I'm so excited to unbox my winter FabFitFun box. If you guys are unaware of what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box that sends things like beauty and lifestyle items. And FabFitFun is the only subscription box that I still get. I used to get so many, and this is the only one I have hung on to. I'm looking forward to a lot of warm, squishy winter things in this winter box. Today's tea of the day is Tazo organic chai, and let's get right into it. So I did have a couple of add-ons. They always have an add-on sale, things you can add on to your box. This was the first one, and look, it's looking so beat up. The box that it came in was also like destroyed. It makes you wonder what on earth happened to this poor item. But these are the food tents that you put over, oh, there you go, food tents that you put over things when you're eating outside. It never fails. I wish I had a set of these. Well, now I do. I'll put them in our camper so we are always ready. I did have one more add-on, but it must be in the actual box. So let's get on into it, shall we? These boxes are nice. I tend to save them and fill them with items and put it under my bed. It's hard to throw away such a nice box. All right, we got paper, the FabFitFun magazine. Ooh, I'm seeing squishy things. Let's take out the first squishy thing. Since I'm an annual member, I was able to choose everything in my box, but I don't remember what I picked. Uh-oh, I'm gonna use scissor. Right back. So I just left to get a scissor and put the box down, and the cat has already found the box. Like, ooh, what's this? Okay, this is the squishy thing I was trying to get into. Let's see. Ooh, I don't even remember. Is it a blanket? Oh, I remember now. It's a blanket with a hood on it. Oh, it is so nice and soft. Let's check it out. Yeah, this is totally my vibe. Love it. I found another squishy item. I think this is a hat. I am a big fan of beanies. Oh, that's the sound of the cat crawling around in the box. Ooh, yes. I love it. Okay, kitty, you're gonna have to get out of the box. I'll see what I can get around her. So, they sent an hourglass lipstick in this month's box, which I've always thought these were so pretty, but I've never tried one. This is in the shade If Only, and look at how pretty the packaging is. Like, it feels heavy. It feels really nice. Oh. Okay, pretty. Let's swatch it. Yeah, that's a shade I can wear. They had another one that was like a red. So yeah, I definitely decided to go for like the mauve-y one. I'm excited to try this. I also added on, I believe this is a travel makeup bag. Yes, and this one is from Nude Sticks. So it has a handle like this, and it's the kind that folds down. So it has a spot for brushes up here, which I am actually really excited about that. I always have a hard time figuring out how to travel with my brushes. I'm excited about this. I will definitely be using it. All right, another squishy thing. I did try to make my box as wintry as possible. I got some slippers. These are from the brand Chinese Laundry, and I got the extra small. So let's see if they fit. Ooh, barely. I probably should have gotten the medium, but they do fit. Yay! I actually go through slippers regularly. I wear them until they die, so I'm happy to have more slippers. Ooh, I found there's paper here in the end. That would be why I didn't fit my foot very well. Yeah, I'm definitely putting these on. I'm not currently wearing slippers, so now I am. Okay, kitty, I gotta get into the box. Okay, so here is the add-on I was thinking of. So this is another item from Nude Sticks. I don't have very many things from them. I think only one other item. Well, now two, I guess, with that makeup bag. Got the lip and cheek pencil in the shade Mystic. So I do already have the intense lip and cheek pencil, and I really like it, so I thought I would just try the regular one. Let's give it a swatch. Ooh, pretty. That is what that looks like. Nice big chubby pencil. I'm really looking forward to trying this too. Okay, so next from this brand called Quick Slick. Oh, I remember this now. I was really excited to give this a shot. I think I saw Kathleen Lights use this. Is that right? Essentially, it is, oh, there's more plastic on it. Okay, so this is a little tube of, oh, there's more plastic. I missed some. It's like basically like a giant eyebrow gel, except it's for your hair. So if you have your hair pulled back in a bun or a ponytail or something, and you've got lots of little frizzies sticking out, you can use this to comb down the frizzies. I'm really excited to try this. That has always been a problem for me. And I believe this is the last item. I'm gonna have to rummage around in there with the cat, make sure I didn't miss anything. She's so happy. So I know I'll mispronounce this brand. I'm very sorry to people who speak French, but to me, L'Occitane. This is the dry skin hand cream. Did I need another hand cream? No, but I really like hand cream. Oh, it comes in one of these containers. Oh, it's really thick. Whoa, I know that scent from somewhere. Whoa, it makes me think of my grandma, but like in a good way. Whoa, maybe one of my grandmothers used L'Occitane hand cream. I have no idea, but wow, that's a very nostalgic smell. The cat. All right, you guys, I think that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you get FabFitFun, what'd you get in your box? Did you make yours super wintry like mine with all the squishy happiness? I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.